Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service. But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify and the bell icon if there is new update. Daily Time Entry Automated Attendance Tracking System. Note: this manual is intended to daily time entry, particular to employees with work-from-home schedule, since you will be allowed to time in, out, in AM and PM, just like the existing biometrics time entry as you punch your thumb or through face recognition. The only difference between the existing biometric when compared with a daily time entry is via online and self-service that you don't have to punch your thumb or facial recognition. In fact, in daily time entry, you will be able to time in, out, in AM and PM, even if you are at home, by only accessing the online self-service. Moreover, the AM in time entry will be based on what time you click the AM in, and the captured time will be based on server running time. Note: upon login to the system, use your own account or user ID, together with your self-service password, since the information that will display on its main page will be based on the account you log in daily time entry menu. In Automated Attendance Tracking System main page, information that is employee ID and employee name. If by mistake you log in an account that is not yours, and then you click the Daily Time Entry menu and click AM in Time Entry type, expected that the AM in Time Entry will be recorded, and the captured time is based on server running time, not your unit time. Navigate to About Me, Daily Time Entry. Note: you can also navigate to main page expandable menu buttons. To navigate, click the About Me drop-down list will be visible. Click Daily Time Entry to continue. How to time in the morning or AM in? Step 1. While on the main page of Automated Attendance Tracking System, click AM in if you want to time in on that specific time. Note: Daily Time Entry Automated Attendance Tracking System will open employee ID and employee name. Information will be based on the account you used to log in the page. Analog clock and digital clock is for display only and not clickable. Non-key fields are analog clock display, digital clock display, AM in, AM out, PM in, PM out, time entries, AM in, AM out, PM in, PM out. Note: Add Time Entry Modal page will open. AM in, hour, minutes, no button, and yes button will be visible. Expected if you click the AM in time entry. If you click the no button, time entry will not be recorded on server database, but if you click the yes button, time entry will be recorded. Once recorded, even if you log in out your account. Automatic every time you're in Automated Attendance Tracking System main page. AM in time entry will be display and no longer editable if time entry is not covered on time entry. Type time duration. On the other hand, even if you change your computer time, still the recorded time will be based on server running time. Step 2. If you don't want to save or record AM in time entry, click No button to close the page. Step 3. Repeat Step 1. Click Yes button for you to record AM in time entry. Note: a pop-up confirmation window will appear that AM in saved successfully. Note: if ever you re-click the AM in, even if AM in already have an entry expected, that you are not allowed to record new AM entry. How to time out in the morning or AM out. Step 1. While on the main page of Automated Attendance Tracking System, click AM out if you want to time out on that specific time. Note: Daily Time Entry Automated Attendance Tracking System will open. Employee ID and employee name information will be based on the account you use to log in the page. Non-key fields are analog clock display, digital clock display, AM in, AM out, PM in, PM out, time entries, AM in, AM out, PM in, PM out. Note: if you still want to continue and record your time entries, repeat step 2 and 3 on how to time in the morning or AM in, since it shares the same process even if it is AM in out or PM in out time entry. For you to have time entries even if your work schedule is work from home, though different name of time entry type, but shares the same behavior and process. On how to record your entry time on server's database. Once recorded, even if you log in, out, your account automatic every time you're in Automated Attendance Tracking System main page, AM in out and in PM in out. Time entry will be displayed and no longer editable if time entry is not covered on time entry type, time duration. Note: once time entry type in AM out, PM in, and PM out is already recorded, automatic time will be displayed on time entries on its respective time. PM in. Note: a pop-up confirmation window will appear that PM in saved successfully. PM out. Note: a pop-up confirmation window will appear that PM out saved successfully. Note: if the recorded time entry and time entry type is defined as under time, you can re-click specific time entry type to record new time, so that you will not have an under time AM out and PM out. In comparison to AM in and PM out, these two time entry type, you should enter your time as early as possible to avoid lates. At the same time, these time entries recorded will automatically reflect on your DTR, since these time entries will serve as your DTR time entries. The end. Thank you for watching.